Place value drawings within 1000 to add. Day 4. Grab your notebook or whiteboard and let's go. More practice with hundreds. Write down this number. That's right, 282. Great job. Now write down this number. Notice, it doesn't matter how big your numbers are. They're easy to write down as long as you have drawn them neatly. So 465. Again, write it down. 377. Nice job. Now let's add. We have 200 plus, see that nice 50 and 50 all lined up, ready to go. Plus 100, plus that 10, and here's an extra 10 that we made out of our ones, plus 4. Let's combine our like terms, which means add your hundreds together, which equals 300. Add your tens together, which is 20. It's now in expanded form, 324. We'll write it in standard form. All right. Do you see stuff you like? Me too. 50 plus 50 equals 100. 5 and 5 is 10. So notice at this point, you could even look at this and say, well, that's 100, that's 100, and this is 100, and combine it right from the start to 300. You can do the same thing with your tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and you know that's another 10 for 63. Now it's already in expanded form, so you can just combine it together to make standard form. I love picture proofs because if you can make your pictures look nice and neat, the answers are just staring you in the face and you don't have to do any looking or hunting. They're just right there. All right, now let's practice drawing our own nicely. So I have 400s. When I have more than 200s, I usually stack them up so they don't fill up my whole paper. 420, I'm leaving a space so that everything is nice and neat. Now I have 200 and a 30 and a 7. All right, do you see anything? Do you see that 5 and 5 right there? So 600, you can see 30 plus 20 is 50, plus that is 60, and 5. It's in expanded form, so we can just rewrite it in standard form. Nice job. All right, 400. When we start getting into hundreds, your pictures can get pretty big. 422. Notice I didn't leave a space for my 20 because I looked at this and I only have a 50. So I'm just going to line those up. But I do have a 5 group and extras there. So I'm going to put the 5 and the 1. All right, I have 700. I don't have another 100, so that's why I just wrote 700. 50 plus 20 is 70. And I have a 5 and a 3, which is 8, which is 778. Now, if we'd have really looked at this problem, I would have looked at that and said, oh, those digits don't go above 10. Those digits aren't 100. So really, this would have been a no strategy needed. And I didn't even need to do a picture. I could have just added each column going straight down. We should have looked at that more carefully. 187, so I draw my 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space, 60, 70, 80, leave a space, and a 5 and a 2. That number is really nice because it's got every column. All right, now I have a 40. Remember, we talked about that 40. You could do a 50 minus a 10, meaning you can just draw a 50 and get rid of a 10 up there. Or you can just draw a 40 over here and search for your 100. I honestly prefer to do a 50 and then subtract a 10 from the other number. But that can be tricky if you aren't very careful. So 200 plus 100 equals 300. I have a 50, so I'm going to neatly just scribble it, and a 30, and I need to come down here and get 2 more. Now I have 100 plus 10, 20. Oh, there's a 10 we love, and a 5. I love it when I have 5 groups that match up. So combine our like terms. So 300 plus 100 equals 400. Our tens is 30. So 435. What made that problem tricky is that we did not have a 50 group to match up for that 50 and 50. And the last one, 300. Notice all these numbers are below, so we're not going to have any groups of anything. So 33. I'm going to leave spaces in there for all of the groups, though. 200. I have a 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That's why I left a space, so that would match up. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 500 squares. I have a 50 and a 70. Oh, 70's partner is 30. So plus 100, there's a 5, and I need one of those to go with that 4, because that 9 needs a 1. And then there's 2 left over. So 500 plus 100 equals 600. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 612. Great practice with hundreds today.